Okay, so we're going to put together our drive tray for our G8 HP Proliant server. There's the tray itself. It's a little bit flimsier than I thought it would be. I've never really held one of these before, so I'm sure it's just, you know, what it is, but you know, you can kind of see it's got a little, so. Alright, I already opened this beforehand. Let's get out our little packet. Alright. So, the way it's pretty simple. You can see the hole right here in the drive, and you can see the hole right there for the screw, and you just kind of line them up. So, you know, get it sandwiched in there. You can kind of see. Keep doing that. Let's see. Slipping a little bit. Alright. Yeah, you can see the holes are lining up. There you go. A little bit better. And then down here, the same. So I have to get some screws in those. We'll be on our way. Now I have to find the screws. There we go. I don't like to tighten them all the way until you get to the very end, just in case you need to shift it around a little bit. Put our second screw. Oh, blew it. Blew it. Oh my gosh. There we go. Alright, one side's in. Just flip it over. Do the other side. That one took a little bit quicker, that was nice. Yeah, like that. Cool. Right, so we'll get that together. Tighten it up one more time. And tighten these all the way. Alright. There we go. That's it. We're ready to go. Just have to do that a couple more times, and yeah, we'll put them in the machine. So 2 down.